Hi, this is Eric Partsock, and today we're going to show you how to replace the wash plate on your Whirlpool washer. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation brands, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new wash plate, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The wash plate is responsible for moving back and forth to agitate clothes during the wash cycle. This movement facilitates the movement of clothes, water, and detergent to ensure efficient cleaning. If the wash plate is damaged or the splines on the bottom are stripped, it may cause excessive noise or vibration during the wash cycle. Additionally, clothes may not clean properly due to improper agitation. For this repair, disconnect power and water to the washer. Open the washer's lid. Then, squeeze the handle and rotate it counterclockwise while lifting to remove the agitator. Next, insert a flathead screwdriver into one of the slots on the agitator cap and lift up on it while prying on one of the retainer clips to release it. Repeat these steps on the other side to remove the cap. Here's a side view of the agitator cap to help show how inserting a screwdriver through the hole in this cap will allow you to pry open the tabs that hold the cap in place. Using a 7/16 hex-headed socket, remove the bolt holding the wash plate to the washer. If you're using a ratchet, you will need to hold the wash plate in place. You may want to use an impact drill, as we have found it difficult to remove the bolt by hand. Then remove the wash plate. Some wash plates may become hard to remove due to detergent buildup. If you run into that issue, you can either run the washer on manual mode with the screw removed and see if it works itself free, or slip a string under the wash plate and try and work it free. After removing the wash plate, you want to make sure that this gear here is not stuck onto the gear shaft like in this picture here. If it is, you will either have to remove it with a pair of pliers, or in some cases it will have to be cut off without damaging the drive shaft. If you need to purchase a new wash plate, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the teeth on the wash plate to the teeth on the gear shaft and set it into place. You may need to rotate the wash plate for it to fall into position. If you are using the same bolt that you removed, you'll need to clean all the thread lock off of it. Next, put some Loctite here on the screw, about 3/4 of the way down. Then, install the screw and make sure it is fully secured. Align the retaining clips on the agitator cap to any of the holes on the wash plate and press into place. If you plan on using the washer without the agitator, make sure that you press on the agitator cap and align it so it does not catch any clothes. Align the agitator to the grooves on the agitator cap and rotate it clockwise to secure it in place. Then, close the washer's lid. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.